If a bat flew in here right now, you wouldn't be scared?
Yeah.
You looked a little scared.
Because you scared me. I didn't know you were going to do that.
Hey, Austin, are you super excited?
Yeah.
Today we're drawing another Pokemon. Which one are we drawing?
Golbat.
Golbat, yeah. Last week we drew Zubat. Today we're drawing the evolved version of Zubat. We hope you're excited and you're going to follow along with us. What do they need for this lesson? A marker?
A marker, some paper, and some colored pencils.
Yeah, something to color with. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
All right, Austin, let's first draw our Golbat's mouth. We're first going to draw a little smile in the middle of our paper. So we're going to draw it right here in the middle towards the top. So right about here. Then we're going to draw his top teeth. So we're going to draw two little V's. We're going to draw one over here on the left, and we're going to draw one over here on the right. Now look at this V. This one is actually outside of the smile. Yeah, ooh, I like it. Then we're going to curve around. Watch this. We're going to curve around right here over the tooth, and then we're going to come down like this, and we're going to curve under. It looks like the letter J. Is that cool? So we're going to curve around like that and then come down to there. Yes, and then under. Oh yeah, I like it. Then we can draw his teeth on the bottom. We're first going to draw another V, but it's upside down over here on the left side. So we can draw it right here. Boop. Give you some points. Little upside down V. Yep. Then we'll connect it into his mouth. Then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to draw another upside down V. And then we can curve and connect the bottom. Yours is kind of already connected to the mouth. That's okay. I really like the shape of your mouth. You did a great job. How old are you?
7.
7. You can be super proud of that mouth. Now let's continue the mouth and we're going to complete it. So here we go. We're going to finish this line coming all the way over and connecting to his top tooth. So we're going to start right here and then we're going to connect it all the way up to his top tooth. Yeah. Good job, man. He looks really awesome. Now this part we're going to fast forward. We're going to use our markers to color in his mouth. We want to make sure that we don't color in his teeth though. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Now anytime we fast forward the lesson or we go too fast, you guys at home can always pause the video. Next, let's draw our Golbat's eyes. We're going to draw 2 U shapes over each of the top teeth. So we're going to draw a U like this over here, and then we're going to draw another U over here on this side. Is that cool? Mm-hmm. Draw a little U there and a little U there.
It looks like he's sleeping.
Yeah, it kind of does. Then we're going to draw a line that connects the top, and then this can also make him look a little angry. Then in each eye, we're going to draw a line right down the middle. It looks scary. Now we're going to draw the top of our Golbat's head. We're going to draw a line that starts here, curves around like this, goes over the top, and it comes over, and it's going to stop right above his right eye. So we're going to draw that curve that comes over, stops right here. Sometimes I turn my paper sideways, it makes it a little easier. So we're going to start here, draw a curved line that goes over the top. Good job. Next, we're going to draw his ears. We're going to draw a little triangle shape right here over this eye. So we're going to draw a little A shape over that eye. And we're going to do a triangle shape over the right eye, like that. So the end connects to the very end of his head. Yeah. Now let's draw another one. It's a little bit bigger. Watch this. We're going to go over and then back down on the other side. I like his ears. His ears are really cool. Then we're going to do the same thing over here. Now look at this. We're going to leave a little gap right there at the end. Yeah. Now let's finish his body. We're going to draw a line that starts right here on his ear. It's going to come down. Watch this. We're going to come down around like on the side of his head. And then watch right here at the bottom of his mouth. We're going to go like this. We're going to get a little thinner and come around like this. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to start here. We're going to come down, around, and then connect to that little dot right there. You can do it. Oh, I love your Golbat. He looks so awesome. Now right here on the side of his mouth, we're going to draw a small little line. Look how close it is right next to the mouth. Draw it right next to it and then connect it in. Now what should we draw next, dude?
His wings.
His wings. This step is going to be a lot like our Zubat. We're going to draw a curve that first comes up like this, and it's going to come over the top of his ears. We're going to repeat that same step on the other side.
Looks like his hands are going
Yeah,
up.
going wee. Now we're going to draw the top part of his wings. So we're going to draw another curve that comes out like this, and one on the other side too. We're going to draw another curve that comes out over here. Love how big your Golbat is. He's huge. Okay, now we're going to start up here at the top, and we're going to draw another line that goes right next to the first one, or that first bend, and then we're going to draw another line that comes down and matches this one. Look at that. You think you can do that all by yourself?
Yeah.
I'm going to repeat that same step over here. You go right next to it, and I'll go right next to this bottom part too. Keep going. You want to do the other side too? Yes, you did it. Now we're going to draw two lines. We're going to draw one right here. We're going to start in his elbow, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down and curves out like that. So start there, and we can draw a curve out to there. And on this side, I'm going to curve it the other direction like that. Yes. Good. And then we're going to draw another curve. Let's draw it right here, and we're going to draw it straight, almost down, straight down, but curved. And we'll do the same thing over here. Curved. And I curved it the same direction. Next, we can connect all of these lines. Watch how I connect them. We're going to draw a curve that goes in and then back out. Right there. And we're going to do the same thing here. Curve in. And then right here, we're going to curve into his body.
Okay.
Is that cool? Mm-hmm. Let me see you do it. Yep. Out. Yeah, you did it. One more. And then one last one into his body. Yeah. Now let's repeat that same step over here. And we're going to curve it the other direction. And then we'll curve down to the bottom and then into his body. All right, we did it. We finished his body. Now we need to draw his legs. His legs are a lot different than the Zubat. The Zubat had really long legs. These ones are short. So we're going to draw two lines that come out on each side. Two over here and two over here, and I'm drawing them curved. Then we're going to draw beans. And they look like, or hot dogs. We're going to draw a curve that comes out, around, and then back in. Looks like a hot dog shape.
Yeah.
Yeah. Down, keep going, keep going. Yeah. And then we're going to repeat that same step over on this side. Up, curve around, so it looks like a hot dog, and then back in. Austin, you did awesome on drawing your little Golbat. Now we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color.
Color him. Yeah, he's going to look so much better once we color him. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Awesome, we did it. Great job, man, on coloring your Golbat. It turned out super cool. And I hope our art friends are going to pause the video right now to match the same coloring. And you know what else? We got to remind our art friends. We remind them almost every single time. It's okay that our two drawings look different, right?
Yeah.
And it's okay if our art friends' drawings look different too, because what's the most important thing?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.